Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I think we will start with the quickest way to do that by using a secret code. So let's enter the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with the serial number. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way by using the settings. So let's enter them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on About Phone. And right here we have to try to find proper sections. So let's tap on the status here and let's scroll. As you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.